How to switch to creator account in TikTok. Hey guys, I'm Nana from Create Login and Delete, and let's start with our video. So here's the thing, TikTok has removed the creator account option from TikTok, but you already have creator tools. You just have to access it by tapping on the three-line icon and heading to creator tools. Now, your personal account that you are currently using is your creator account, and you can access to every tool that is present right here. Now, there is an option to switching to business mode. You can just go to your settings and privacy, and by tapping on account, you'll be easily able to switch it to your business account. However, it definitely have some lesser perks than your private or your creator account. Now you can just go to your creator tools and see your creator portal. You can also check the analytics, that is the number of views that you have received in your video and more. So go ahead and explore your creator tools that is present in your personal account. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us. Thank you so much for watching.